Hi everybody, so this is going to be one of those shaky videos, but I thought I'd give a little bit of entertainment to everyone out there. So I'm in the hospital still. It's day 4? I want to say day 4. Yeah, no, yeah, sure. Anyways, I've got PFTs on Monday, and then Tuesday we'll talk about going home situation. To be perfectly honest, today was a pretty awful day. They think I have a mucus plug in my lungs, which is restricting the airflow, which is why my lung functions are low, and my oxygen sucks. And after x-rays and everything, we'll see for sure, but they can't really tell with x-rays of a mucus plug. And it's possible that with all the coughing I've been doing, I may have sprained one of my rib cages or fractured it, like small breaks. And again, they can't tell through x-rays because it's too small. And then I have a hard time sleeping lately. They think I might be low on iron, which is causing restless leg syndrome. And if the iron's not the case, then I have to go through a sleep study. So, lacking sleep and just a lot of stuff that happened today, just not such a great day. But, I'll keep you posted the best I can on how I'm feeling and how I'm doing, and PFTs and weight and whatnot. So, I guess until next time, I hope you enjoyed the funny shaky voice.